Demystifying English Collocations, Supporting Beginners. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to delve into an exciting topic in English language learning, collocations. More specifically, we'll be focusing on how to support those of you who might have limited knowledge of collocations. Let's unlock the magic of English together. First, let's answer this question. What are collocations? Simply put, collocations are words that often go together. They make your English sound more natural and fluent. Some examples include brush your teeth, take a shower, or make a decision. The challenge is that these combinations often don't translate directly from your native language into English, which makes them tricky to master. Now that we know what collocations are, we need to recognize the main challenge: limited collocation knowledge. Learners with limited collocation knowledge might use English words correctly in isolation but struggle when it comes to pairing them. This can result in English that sounds unnatural or incorrect. For example, saying, "do a decision," instead of "make a decision." The next step is to find effective ways to support learners. There are several strategies that can help. Strategy 1. Input and exposure. Reading extensively in English is a powerful tool. It can help you naturally absorb collocations. Books, newspapers, and websites can be great resources. Strategy 2. Practice makes perfect. Regular practice is crucial. Try creating sentences using new collocations. The more you use them, the more natural they will become. Strategy 3. Using collocation dictionaries. Consider using collocation dictionaries. They provide common word combinations, which can be very helpful for building your collocation knowledge. Finally, remember that learning collocations is a journey. It may take time and practice. Always be patient with yourself and keep going, even if it seems tough at times. That's it for today, folks. Remember, understanding collocations is an important step in your English language learning journey. We hope these strategies will prove useful for you. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't hesitate to seek help when you need it. Happy learning!